What is up, guys? Thaddeus here. In today's video, we are talking about Kylie Jenner and how she's basically become a billionaire through leveraging, well, her social media and stuff, but because she's using Shopify to basically host her beauty products, okay? So what I want to talk about is basically, what she's doing, looking at some of the stats, looking at her website, looking at what she's using behind her website, just to give a little idea of how she's actually generated over 650 million. I believe it's even more than that. We'll look at the article right here. But basically, guys, she's literally about to be or already is a billionaire, primarily because of selling products online through social media, okay? Now, why is that important? Well, one, it's because social media, again, it's a very new tool. It's been around for a little bit, right? But it's still a fairly new idea of just, having this sort of following that's also your customers that you can leverage and sell things to consistently, right? And that's what Kylie does very, very well. So we're gonna take a look right here. We're actually gonna start the screen capture. All right, so we are on Forbes right now, and as you can see, this article is basically updated or uploaded just a day or two ago, basically saying how she's going to become the youngest billionaire to date, okay? She's surpassed Mark Zuckerberg, Evan Spiegel from Snapchat, all of these guys because she's leveraged her fame very, very, very well. So you guys can read the article for yourself, just a quick Google search, but basically, right, I think this is weird. So she launched Kylie Cosmetics, right, which is her Shopify store selling makeup products, okay? She launched with a $29 lip kit right here. Since then, has sold more than $630 million worth of makeup, okay? 330 million of that being in 2017. They're accounting for a standard 20% discount via, email, coupons, all this kind of stuff that, again, marketing, she can offer to her social media fan base, okay? One thing I do want to point out, right? So again, we're gonna look at all this stuff, but this is her Facebook page, okay? As you can see, they have a new line of cosmetics coming out tomorrow, but if you go to info and ads, right, with this new Facebook update, there's no ads being targeted to at least me, okay? I'm in the United States, I'm in Washington State, there's no ads being shown to me, okay? Or at least me being targeted, okay? And that one, just because I'm a guy. But again, as you guys can see, she's leveraging her social media audience very, very well. What do I mean by that? Her Instagram and her Snapchat. She is always, always, always posting on that stuff, okay? So if we go to her website here, okay? So again, so this is her website, kyliecosmetics.com, all right? We'll go here and use one of these plugins that I have to basically show us, to give us a little bit more info about this site. So Kylie Cosmetics estimated revenue last week, $700,000 last week. Estimated units sold 30,000 plus. So last product was created June 11th. Okay, so very, very recently. All right, and as you guys can see, there's stats here. I think this is monthly or weekly or something like that. Sales over $18,000 of just this one, with over 175 units sold. So yeah, we can pull a lot of data from here, guys. So we can even look at the app she's using on her store, on her Shopify store. So again, guys, this is a Shopify store. So with what I do, with what a lot of you guys that follow me do, right? We drop ship, which uses Shopify, which uses the apps in here that you guys can literally use and copy. Because obviously she's doing something right. She just has a very, very large fan base to market it to. She just needs a proper platform. So again, if you guys are drop shipping, which isn't exactly what Kylie's doing, right? So she's obviously worked with suppliers to create her own brand, her own line. In a way, it's private labeling, just a little bit more customized and a lot more, I assume, quality. What she's doing, guys, is basically what we do, drop shipping, where she has a Shopify site, okay? She has products and she ships it to customers. Now, with drop shipping, we don't touch that product. Now with her, she obviously has warehouses, product, all this kind of stuff. But guys, we can see the apps that she's literally using. So again, for email marketing, Klaviyo, okay? There's a few other things, tools, Hotjar, reporting, mixed message just for analytics, stuff like that. So again, she doesn't have a whole lot of actual apps. So I'm guessing most of her site is custom. I mean, even here for the theme, production 1-edit. So that's the theme she's using. I'm guessing it's just a customized theme tailored to just whatever she wants. Now again, if you click here on traffic, guys, as you can see, month by month, she's consistently generating over 1 million views to her website per month, okay? And again, where is that coming from? So a lot of it direct, social, and search. So as you can see, ads, guys, look at this, ads, paid ads. Not even 1% of her traffic comes from paid ads. So again, going back to her Facebook page and seeing that there's no ads to show, again, I'm certain she's running ads, okay? Just probably not to me. But again, most of her traffic and audience, guys, comes from her giant social media following. So if we go to Instagram, okay, and we go Kylie Jenner right here, all right, and we calculate how many followers. So she has 111 million followers, guys, okay? 111 million followers. She's generated over $900 million using her 111 million followers. That's just on Instagram, okay? I'm assuming there's a lot that are cross-platform mixed between Snapchat, Twitter, all this stuff. But again, that is her audience, guys. She's leveraging that to basically have every single, or to basically, you know, 9x, probably 10x of followers she has to the amount of revenue she's generating, okay, guys? And that's just with Shopify, okay? Shopify products, okay? So again, with this Forbes article, it says that really she's only garnered, what, 60 million in endorsements, stuff like that, but most of her revenue, most of her, you know, money comes from her own brand. So like her older sister, Kim Kardashian West, whatever her name is, she's only worth 350 million, okay? Now, Kylie here is almost worth $1 billion, or probably, guys, as you guys can see, this is her site. We're running a few, you know, just looking at this kind of stuff to just get an idea of what she's doing back-end wise. And again, guys, there's not a whole lot different than what, you know, we do, what I try and show you guys how to do. The only difference, right, is again, she has a very, very large following. So again, that's why influencer marketing can be very lucrative if you know how to do it right and aren't using weird influencers that, you know, are fake and not real, and then, you know, leveraging ads and creating an actual platform to sell things on. So again, guys, this is why social media and everything else is just so lucrative right now. But yeah, so going back to, you know, products and whatnot, so as you can see, she launched a whole bunch of products in May, or at least, you know, towards the end of May, and then tag wise, right, Kylie Jenner, Kylie Cosmetics, liquid lipstick, lip liner, lip kit, stuff like that. And if we actually go to best selling here, it's actually gonna click, just because if you guys don't know, there's a way for your Shopify stores. Most of the time, for most stores, you can actually type in a certain URL that'll take you to that site's best selling products. So again, we're on their website basically, and it's gonna show us in order her best selling products. So again, guys, she launched with her lip kits. So these lip kits are still her best selling products. Again, they're not priced too high. She has a lot of other higher ticket items on her website, but these $29 products are the ones that are selling the most. And then it goes to lip gloss. I don't even know the difference between lip gloss and lip kit. But guys, again, this is just kind of like a breakdown of like, okay, she's very popular on social media. She's leveraging her social media following and creating, you know, like her followers are becoming her customers, right? She's using that to sell them products that they would want. So that's how she's converting them to customers. And she owns 100% of Kylie Cosmetics, guys. Kylie Jenner is a 100% basically shareholder of Kylie Cosmetics, okay? So all that money she's making goes to her, and, you know, if she's actually like hiring out anyone, but I don't think anyone necessarily has equity in that. But again, guys, this is just, again, I just want to break this down for you guys because it's ridiculous, the power of social media, the power of advertising these days, the power of the internet and what you can do, okay? So guys, the 3 youngest billionaires ever made, okay? Kylie Jenner, Mark Zuckerberg, Evan Spiegel, all 3 of those guys became billionaires through social media, okay? 2 of them made social media apps, all right? And then Kylie here is leveraging the power of social media to sell to her followers, okay, guys? So again, I just want to break that down for you guys and get that in your guys' head. So if you guys can master advertising, if you guys can master influencer marketing, I think that there's a very strong difference between both. And eventually, I think you always want to go to at least advertising if you don't have a giant following like Kylie does. But again, guys, if you can master those 2, you can make a lot of money online, okay? Think about it. There are so many different makeups and lip kits, lipsticks, lip gloss, whatever you want to call it. There's so many out there, right? And again, if you're a girl and, you know, I'm assuming most girls have, you know, multiple lipsticks or lip glosses and stuff like that, right? So again, when you're drop shipping, right? When you're drop shipping products, again, I drop ship men's fashion stuff. Like I would drop ship rings, necklaces, hats, shades, stuff like that, guys. I would sell that online on my own stores. People usually had more than one of those items, right? So you usually don't only have one hat if you like hats. You don't usually only have one pair of shades if you are frequently looking at shades, if you're interested in shades or interested in fashion, right? You usually have more than one of those objects. So again, she's capitalized by, 1, having multiple variants of everything, okay? And she's not selling something that's